Hello students, welcome to the English class. Today I am proceeding with the remaining part of the chapter Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. As we have already studied that Nelson Mandela was a great leader of South Africa who has been selected the first president of South Africa's non-racial government, and all the international leaders gathered in the Union Building of Pretoria. Now I am coming to the second part. A few moments later, we all lifted our eyes in a view as a spectacular array of South African jets, helicopters and troop carriers rolled in perfect formation over the Union buildings. After the few moments of the speech of Nelson Mandela, everybody lifted his eyes towards the sky, and their eyes were filled with fear as there was a spectacular array. Spectacular array means very impressive display of South African jets, helicopters and army planes which were roaring in perfect formation over the Union buildings. It was not only a display of pinpoint precision and military force, but a demonstration of the military's loyalty to democracy, to a new government that had been freely and fairly elected. So it was not only a show of the brief military force, but also a display of the military's loyalty, means faithfulness to a democracy. It was a show of the military's faithfulness to a new government which was fairly and freely elected by people. As the people of South Africa elected Nelson Mandela as their leader, as their president. Only moments before, the highest generals of South Africa Defence Force and Police, their chests bedecked with ribbons and medals from days gone by, saluted me and pledged their loyalty. I was not unmindful of the fact that not so many years before, they would not have saluted but arrested me. So, few moments ago, the highest generals of South African Defence Force, Military Force and Police, and their chests were decorated with ribbons and medals, saluted Nelson Mandela and placed before him with loyalty, with faithfulness. And I was not mindful of the fact, means he was not unaware of this fact that not few years before, not many years means few years before, they had not saluted but arrested him when he was considered as a slave. When there was apartheid system in their country, these generals had arrested him, and now the time has completely changed. They have saluted him. Finally, a chevron of Impala jets left a smoke trail of the black, red, green, blue and gold of new South African flag. Now as there was the display, and in this display there was a pattern in the shape of V. There was Impala jets in the pattern of shape of V, left a smoke trail. A smoke trail means a smoke line of black, red, green, blue and golden colors, which are the colors of new South African flag. So such types of display are also seen in the sky when there is Republic Day celebration in our country. So this type of celebration was done at that time when Nelson Mandela was selected as the president. The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthems and the vision of white singing Nkosi Silikil Africa and black singing Die Stem, the old anthem of the Republic. Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem they once despised, they would soon know the words by heart. On that day, there was the singing of two national anthems. The first was Nkosi Silicon Africa. This national anthem was sung by white people and blacks were singing the national anthem Die Stems. These two national anthems were the symbol of the unity and equality of South Africa at present time. Although neither groups knew the lyrics by heart, they used to despise, they used to hate them once, but now they are singing it and they were not knowing the meaning of it. Nelson Mandela is now thinking that they would soon the meaning of it and they would learn these anthems by heart very soon.